I'm Christina Manisha, and today I'm going to be doing my cat video 1. So today I'm going to be handling Ash, and the first thing I would do is check his demeanor. So he looks calm. I can hear him purring. He looks relaxed. He's communicating. And he's coming right up to the cage and he looks playful. So I'm gonna take him out of the cage now. Ready? Oops, forward. Ready? Okay, so I'm going to take him out of the cage now. 4. Ready? Careful. Come here, come here, come here, come here, careful. Good boy. So for examining, I would have to get him on this position where I put my left arm over, not beside his body. And then I would examine him. I would look for any wounds, any injuries, anything. And then for grooming, I would again do that position. Good boy. And then I would groom him from head to tail. I would go in the direction of his fur, not against it. Oh, I don't have a grooming tool with me, so I'll just tell you what I'd be doing. So yeah, I'll just be doing that. Going with his fur. And if he moves around too much, I will get an assistant to help me to restrain him. And then also for grooming, I will look for any mats if he has any mats, but he doesn't. So he looks pretty healthy. And I'm just gonna put him back in the cage. Ready? Good boy. Can I hold you? Come, Ash. And put him back in the cage.